Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Saf and I am back with very interesting topic related to Rasa chatbot. Today and in upcoming videos we will develop a trading chatbot using Rasa where you trade in stock market by using your own developed Rasa chatbot. Before that, I strongly recommend to watch my previous videos on Rasa chatbot using Google Colab for better understanding. So, be with us till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's get started. In the previous session of Rasa, we learned that how we can install and run Rasa in Colab, file content of Rasa, how can you customize the chatbot according to your problem or needs, etc. In previous session, we developed chatbot by using cloud-based Jupyter Notebook, that is Colab. Well, Jupyter Notebook is a wonderful tool for many tasks like EDA, result presentation, insight sharing with the coworker, etc. But Jupyter Notebook can't be good option, especially when you working in a team which include coordinating work among programmers, collaboratively developing source code, etc. And you also have to maintain the product development pipeline that aim to develop final or end product. Let's have a look why. Due to the fact that Jupyter Notebook are stored as a big JSON files, merging two notebook is virtually impossible, and it is very hard to develop test for your code when the code is in the Jupyter Notebook form. Since in product development pipeline, output of each stages is input of other stage. So by using Jupyter Notebook, it is quite difficult to do so. And Jupyter Notebook is also bad for running long asynchronous tasks as chance of breaking link is quite high. So should I avoid using a Jupyter Notebook or Colab? My answer is no. Well, it depends on the task and the environment you are working in. Jupyter Notebook or Colab also give some kind of flexibility, like you can also dump the Jupyter Notebook in their concerned files. Like after completing work in Jupyter Notebook, you can save the model and necessary files and dump the notebook in simple Python file, which can be used in further stages of product development. But what if some Python packages give the flexibility of installing and running code in a cloud-based Jupyter Notebook and also allow you to use VS Code on top of that? Well, this is possible in Colab. There is a awesome Python package called Colab Code which allow us to use VS Code on Google Colab with only 3 lines of code. So let's move to the Colab. Install Colab code. For that, type execute it. Now import the library. For that, type. Here you have to pass few parameters like port number, password, mount drive or not. So pass the parameter port on which it run. Another parameter is password, which is maybe optional. Execute that line. That's it. Jupyter Notebook will show you a ngrok URL to access VS Code. So wait for a moment. Here you see there is ngrok link. Now click on that. Wait for a moment. Here you see the interface. Now enter the password that you passed while calling collab code. So let me type it. Collab, enter. It may take little bit extra time, so wait for a moment. Here you see VS Code is open, which is running on top of our collab notebook. So let's create a Python file. Let's write some snippet code like save it, open the terminal, type python test.py to run the Python file. It runs successfully. Well, we are using VS Code, but the whole code is running in the backend in Colab. And also you get an option to use terminal in Colab for free, as Colab also provide a terminal, but it is paid and also not available for all countries. Now I hope everything is clear till yet. Now let's create our initial Rasa chatbot. The process of creating initial Rasa chatbot is quite simple. Let me extend this. You have to first install the Rasa. So let's install it. Keep the version same that we used earlier. Now execute it. Wait for a moment for installation. And that's it. No need to install any other or extra libraries. Now to initialize the simple Rasa chatbot, type let's provide a directory name bot where our initial Rasa chatbot is stored. Move to the bot folder where our Rasa chatbot file are. My bad, cd bot. Now type Rasa shell to talk to your bot. So Rasa shell. Wait for a moment. Here you can talk to your bot. So let me type here. Well, initial chatbot is working. Now let's end the chat. Our initial chatbot is created, and you also get a basic understanding of using VS Code on Google Colab. In the next videos, we will talk about the stock market and trading platform, and also do some stock trading using API call in live market. And I hope everything is clear to you. But if in case you face any kind of difficulty in understanding any part of this topic, please leave a comment below and I try to help you on that. That's all from my side for this video. I hope you like the video. So don't forget to like the video, and you haven't subscribed my channel yet, do subscribe my channel and press bell icon to never miss an update about my videos. Till then, happy learning.